How to use the Cuisinart FastFreeze Max ice cream maker. Fill the dessert cup with your favorite ice cream base. Place the lid on the dessert cup and freeze for at least 24 hours on a level surface. Let the frozen dessert cup sit at room temperature for about 5 minutes. Remove the lid from the dessert cup. Use the icons to align the mixing assembly and twist to lock into place. Attach the power handle by pressing down until it clicks. Use the dial on the power handle to select your preset: ice cream, sorbet, mix-in, slushie, or milkshake. Hold the mixing assembly with one hand. In the other, hold the power button. Gently press down on the power handle while holding the power button. Reset the power handle while continuing to press the power button. Repeat this process until the desired consistency is reached. To disassemble, press and hold the release button on the back of the unit. Twist to unlock and remove the dessert cup. Wash dessert cups using soapy water or the top shelf of the dishwasher. Press the blade shaft through and run under tap water to clean. Compact design allows for easy storage. Enjoy your frozen treat. Now that's a work of Cuisinart.